Reasons you need to put tea tree oil on the skin at this time. Tea tree oil is acquired in the Melaleuca tree that is indigenous to Australia. It is among the most completely studied oils, because of its number of uses and benefits. Based on the College of Sydney, even native Aborigines were conscious of its healing qualities and how it can treat skin disorders. Nowadays, tea tree oil is really a key component in lots of products, for example anti-acne creams, lotions, skin creams, massage oils, plus much more. It's totally dependable and to use it undiluted. Listed here are the very why you need to use tea tree oil topically. Cuts and infections. Combine tea tree oil with chamomile oil to create your personal superpotent cream for cuts and infections. Cleanse the affected area with hydrogen peroxide and water, dilute 2 drops of tea tree oil with chamomile oil, and apply directly onto the skin. Secure having a bandage and allow it to work overnight. Treats athlete's feet. Combine 20 drops of tea tree oil, add 1/4 cup of arrowroot powder, along with a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Tea tree oil will destroy the fungus accountable for the problem, arrowroot will absorb the moisture which results in a condition for that fungus to thrive, and baking soda will take away the unique odor and itchiness. Razor burn relief. To get rid of irritation brought on by shaving, apply a tiny bit of tea tree oil around the affected area using a cotton pad. It functions by natural astringent that makes it effective for this function.